Welcome everyone. I haven't live streamed in quite a while, but the market is doing something pretty crazy right now. So I thought I would give everybody some predictions, what to look out for, what to watch for. Right now, as you can see, we've been going down in the market all day. For the last few hours, we've headed down to around the $30,000 mark. Now, the $30,000 mark has a lot of resistance to it. Meaning there's a lot of buy orders that are set at that mark. Matter of fact, we just bounced off of it. You can see us going up in the green right here. However, that doesn't look very good overall, because usually when big spikes happen like that and you see a lot of little buys going down, that means more people are leaving the market than are coming into the market. So you see a lot of the big money making some purchases here, driving the price up, and then tons of people selling to get out as fast as they can. That's not good for a market. So what can we expect? We can expect the market to continue going down, but I do have predictions from that. We're not going to just keep heading down right now because of that. Meaning, when we get to around 27 to 28 to 29 and $30,000, there's that range. We're going to start going back up again. And the reason for that is called the Fibonacci sequence or the Elliott wave. Those are very good indicators for what the market's going to do. It's not based on a timeline, but it's based on numbers. It's based on when the numbers are actually reached. So that being said, what can happen when we start to get down and we break under $30,000 is there's fear in the market. There's no doubt about that. But we're actually going to bounce back up over a couple of weeks, and we're going to go back up to around the $27,000 range, maybe 28. And then we're going to dump like we did today, but even further. It's going to be the lowest point of the year, and that's what I myself have now been waiting on to make the purchases. I did pull out, which means I lost the money when I noticed the market tanking. But, you know, I was like thinking to myself, okay, well, if I'm going to lose half the money anyway, watching it just disappear, I might as well remove it and then have it to put back in when the market goes completely down. How far down will it go? We can only speculate. If we're looking at XRP, that's one that I watch because it's a little easier to follow when it comes to the numbers, because we're dealing with like cent ranges. It can get anywhere down to 32 cents, maybe even down to 27. I'm looking for 37 cents myself. That's incredible buy. Right now, today, it got down to 47, and that was the indicator that it's probably going to head back up to around the 60-cent range, and then it'll plummet back down after that. So there'll be a little spike. It follows what Bitcoin is going to do, essentially. So if we actually, today we got down to $30,000 and $30,110, really close to breaking under 30,000. But again, there's a lot of buy orders set there, so I don't know if we're going to break under it. We will eventually, there's no doubt. And then it's going to drive that price up over a couple weeks, and then we're coming back down. I don't know when, I don't know exactly, but I just know that we're looking for those numbers, that range. Okay, so when we see that range hit, we're in some trouble, guys. Just letting you know. And wanted to update everybody on that, so you guys know, like, should I buy right now? The prices are really low. Should I hold? Should I wait? I myself am waiting. You can do what you want. These prices are incredible. They're very, very good. But I don't see anything in the market that's ready to flip and drive us back up into the into the golden zone. I don't see any ability for us to go fly into the moon. So that said, I hope you guys have those numbers, what to look out for, what to watch for, and see you in a couple weeks.